Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I've got another quick update for the Canvas starter site. I've got a contact page for light and dark mode. So let's go ahead and jump in from the MyListing Club website. That's mylisting.club. We're going to go here under Resources and Starter Sites. We're going to scroll down the page just a bit and find the Canvas starter site. Click into that card. Then we're going to scroll down to the Build Notes section. And we're going to go to the very bottom of that build notes section and look for this contact page. We'll go ahead and go into that, and I'll quickly just do an overview of it, and then we'll look at the actual templates. The contact page is more than just a form or email address. It's a vital bridge between you and your audience. It reassures visitors that there's a real person ready to listen and assist. This page builds trust by offering direct communication with your business, showing you're accessible and transparent. It can be the hub for important information like phone numbers, physical addresses, or social media links, and enhancing your credibility. Also, I'm going to throw a quick note in here. If you also have a physical presence, like a physical store by chance, I think that's kind of rare with MyListing websites, MyListing-based businesses. But if you do have a storefront, and NAP is really important for you at that point for SEO, which means name, address, and phone number. So that is something that is really important to get on your contact page, especially if you have a local brick and mortar business. And that NAP information, name, address, and phone number, should be consistent across all of the entities you have on the web, whether it's social media, your website, or whatever. Make sure that your phone number, your name, and your address is the same and accurate across all of those, okay? Offering multiple ways to connect means you're putting customer satisfaction first. Don't underestimate its role in turning curious visitors into loyal customers, okay? Contact page highlights, custom design that matches the overall brand, proper form labels for accessibility, dynamically filled in fields, which in this case are the name and the email address fields are going to be automatically filled in if the user happens to be logged into your website. It just saves them a little bit of time. It's a nice little gesture there. And then some social media icons. And these templates are available right now. After this video, these will link up here. All right, but they're available. If you go under Resources and just click Resources, you'll see those two templates available right here in light and dark mode. Actually, I don't see the dark mode there. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Should be there. Anyway, I'll fix that after this video, but you'll see two contact pages, a light and a dark mode. I'll take care of that shortly. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at these templates. And before we do that, actually, let's look at the default page, which is light mode. So here we have the contact page. We'll just go ahead and view this on the front end. And there we go. And then we can see that we are all good on the mobile front. Okay, so this is going to scale nicely on whatever device size that they're on. And yeah, so we've got the options to fill in the subject. And then here we see that the name and the email address are automatically filled in. Obviously, they can change these or add to them if they want to. And then, of course, the message. And then we've got some nice social media icons down here. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Not super complex, but it is a time saver, and it's already designed and ready to go for you. Let's go ahead and we'll look at the dark mode template here, since we've already essentially looked at the light mode version. If you have, if you're going to do Canvas or your website in dark mode, then this background that you see here towards the bottom that's white, that's going to be dark as well. So don't worry about that. That's why it looks like this. But everything will be good to go in dark mode if you set the rest of your other settings to dark mode. Okay, I don't know why those icons are blowing up like that. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Just make sure it's not something else. And yeah, those icons are definitely wonky. And it's because there's a period missing in this 1.2 rem. There we go. Doesn't matter. I will fix that. By the time you guys watch this video, I will have that new version of that template up there. So that was just a typo on my part. Okay, everything looks good here. We see we've got the subject at the top. Our text looks good in the fields, in the message. Nice icons right here. Good to go on mobile. Okay, so all good there. And like I said, I'll fix that template by the time you see this. I will have the new version up there. I also wanted to quickly point out that I forgot to do in my last video as I'm updating these resources that are appearing on certain starter sites. I'm incrementing the number of included resources that are with these sites. So we now see that Canvas is up to 171 resources, whether it's templates, CSS package, or whatever it takes to make up this site. There's just a ton of value, and every time I update a resource, I'm updating this value right here. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and catch you in the next one.